Hi all, I welcome you to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP Objects. So an object is a special kind of variable that has distinct characteristics and behaviors. And the characteristics or attributes of an object are used to describe the state of an object, and behaviors or methods represents the actions performed by an object. So an object is a pattern or instance of a class, and it represents a real world entity such as a person or a programming entity like variables and constants. For example, accounts and students are examples of real-world entities, but hardware and software components of a computer are examples of programming entities. So an object has three main characteristics: has a state, has a unique identity, and may or may not display the behavior. So the state of an object can be described as a set of attributes and their values. For example, a bank account has a set of attributes such as account number, name, account type, balance, and values of all these attributes. And the behavior of an object refers to the changes that occur in its attributes over a period of time. And each object has a unique identity that can be used to distinguish it from other objects. And two objects may exhibit the same behavior, and they may or may not have the same state, but they never have the same identity. Two persons may have the same name, age, and gender, but they are not identical. Similarly, the identity of an object will never change throughout its lifetime. Objects can interact with one another by sending messages. Objects contain data and code to manipulate the data. An object can also be used as a user-defined data type with the help of a class. Objects are also called variables of the type class. And after defining a class, you can create any number of objects belonging to that class. And each object is associated with the data of the type class with which it has been created. So creating an object. So the object creation usually includes the following steps: creating a reference variable with reference to the class. The syntax is data, object name, type ref to, class name. Then creating an object from the reference variable. Syntax is create object, object name. Report is set demo object, class, class1 definition, public section, data, text1, 45, value, ABAP objects. Methods, display1, end class. Class, class1 implementation, method display1, write, this is the display method, end method, end class. Start of selection, data, class1, type ref to class1, create object class1, write class1, text1, call method class1, display1. So the above code produces the output ABAP objects. This is the display method. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Objects, and we will be discussing more on SAP ABAP in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.